Good morning everyone, basan tayo ng kapalaran ni Ralph Lion Pag-vlogs. October 1, 2021. Mars training Mars. Mga Sagittarius, kapwa ko Sagittarius. Kuhanin nyo lang yung advice. This is a high energy cycle and a great time to present new projects to the boss or start them for yourself, so put your ideas into positive action. Do you have a physical job to do that requires stamina? Try it now. Yourself confidence is high, and the only loss you can encounter is by doing nothing at all. And daw? Your self-confidence is high, and the only loss you can encounter is by doing nothing at all. Oh, kapag wala kang ginawa, so yun talaga. Loss encounter talaga yun. O, diba? Lagi niya sinasabi dito kailangan ng action. Kasi kung maghihintay ka lang, yun. Encounters by doing nothing at all. Precision, workmanship will be utilized in your work, and lots of short trips will be made. Expect your idea, mechanism to be stimulated, and your willpower, determination, and urge to do something is very strong now as well. October 2, 2021. Basahin natin, guys. Sun, trine Mars. Next time nga guys, ano ko sa inyo yung mga meaning yan. Yung Sun, trine Mars, Mars, trine Mars. Yan, ano ko yan sa inyo. Minsan talakayin ko yan sa inyo. Kasi hindi ko pa rin yan napabasa eh. Naka-stack lang doon sa inbox ko. Ang dami-dami yan. May mga ibig sabihin yan eh. So, dito na tayo sa October 2, 2021. Sun, trine Mars. So, confidence and action color. This transit exercising is great for improving the health and vitality, and romantic encounters are likely to have some sparks connected to them, especially if you have been separated from someone and your interests in each other need begin to grow. What a wonderful transit for renewing your love for another person. Super amounts of positive energy to accomplish anything are now with you. Katulad ngayon, ang layo-layo natin sa pamilya natin, Mother's Day. Diba? How you celebrate your Mother's Day? Napakalayo mo sa pamilya mo. Hanggang bati-bati lang sa telepono. Ganun lang. Super amounts of positive energy. Ulit. What a wonderful transit for renewing your love for another person. Super amounts of positive energy to accomplish anything are now with you. Any kind of physical work or exercise would have beneficial results during this transit. This transit favors knowing the right course to take in any situation and taking it. Get out there and accomplish something positive because your energy is increased during this transit. So make sure to plan something constructive with it. Should you encounter any emergency situations, you will know exactly what to do with the reserve to keep on going in the face of adversity. You might enjoy working by yourself rather than with others. Ayun, katulad ngayon, work ako. Eksakto lang guys. Bye everyone. God bless.